Without wasting your time, let's jump into the video to fix your iPhone not responding when press the power button and black screen of death. Are you not sure if the battery is charged or not? First, charge your iPhone for at least 30 minutes using a direct wall plug and Apple's original charging adapter and cable. As you can see on my screen, when I press the side button, my iPhone shows the battery icon only, not the cable, which means your iPhone is charging. And keep it on charging now. Confirm that your iPhone is dead due to battery drain. Don't worry, that's normal. Your iPhone will turn on automatically. If it's not responding and turn on, then try to hard reboot after 30 minutes of charge. I mean, your iPhone is stuck on a black screen of death. Now, try to force turn on. Just follow me. Quickly press and release volume up button, then volume down button. Now only press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. As you can see, my iPhone is showing Apple logo, then means I fixed the problem. If none of the solutions are helpful to you, then I recommend contacting Apple support via phone call, chat, or email, and book an appointment and schedule your visit to a nearby Apple support center. If your iPhone is under warranty, then you get free repair and replacement as per Apple's terms and conditions on physical or water damage. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.